Heavy rain in the form of showers hit Sochi and surrounding areas last night. In 2 hours, about 90 millimeters of precipitation fell in the Lazarevsky district. The roads of the city and its neighborhoods were flooded. Residents of Sochi share videos on social networks in which water flows can be seen flooding the roads of the city. According to eyewitnesses, most roads were flooded in Adler and Lazarevsky. It should be noted that the water level in the rivers of Sochi has reached critical levels. Jets of water flooded the cars of residents of Sochi. Those who still risk traveling by car do so with great difficulty. The vehicles seem to float on water. A 200-meter stretch of the federal highway A-147, Jubga, Sochi, also turned out to be flooded. The water itself went from there, but the equipment and foremen on duty were still deployed on critical sections of the road. Buildings in Sochi were also damaged. Especially the elements have affected the stores, which are located on the first floors of the premises.
Смотрите, что творится на Донской, на мясокомбинате. Еду в сторону Мамайки. Все встали. Все вариантов нету никуда ехать.
Аслан, ужас, просто ужас. Просто ужас. Все поплыли, все. Все поплыли. Все, тут чисто.